Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to change your playback speed on TikTok. This is currently a new feature that TikTok has updated. Now let's see how we can do that. First of all, be in your TikTok homepage. I'd like to inform you guys that you can only change the playback speed of the video, which has a sliding bar to change the duration at the bottom of the video. Then you can see a column on the right side of the video, and you can see a share sign, which is the second last option. You have to tap on that. After tapping, a menu like this will pop up, and in the bottom of the screen, you can see various options. You have to slide until you find playback speed. After you find it, tap on it. After tapping on that, you can see various speeds you can change into. You'll have to tap on the circle besides the speed you want to select. After that, your playback speed will be increased or decreased as your demand. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.